everybody, we are back. We got some, Josh went ahead and put some seed out, and then we just got the straw blower fired up here, got it from United Rentals. We're trying to figure it out still, but it's working, it works great. This thing's a hoss for sure. So we're gonna see if we can't figure this thing out, and without getting sucked into it. But we'll get one person to drive, one person to load, or something like that. But there we go. so I jumped over here. We figured out really need 3 people. It goes a lot faster. So they're finishing seeding and laying out bales where they're gonna go. And then I jumped over here to the mud that I pulled out of the head section of the pond here. And what we're gonna do with this is just kind of put it up on this hill, kind of level it out, and just let it sit here. And for now, I mean, we can't really do anything with it. Can't spread it. It's just slop. So we're just gonna put a little silt fence around it and go from there with it, so we don't have to you know, grade it or anything. I mean, we'll do the best we can with it, try to get it smoothed out. But yeah, that straw baler, whew, that thing's the ticket. I mean, that took a whole 10 minutes right there. But so I'm gonna work on, start baling some of this dirt, this material back, and then let them get caught up with the seeding. Man, it's like hot out. Weirdest day ever. Alright, I'll go down here and try to scratch out for a little silt fence real quick. This job is so stinking muddy, driving me crazy. But we are so close to being done, so close. All we got to do, wash the equipment off and hit this little area back behind me here and spread 4 bales of straw. So I'll show you guys over here. Sorry I wasn't able to video the straw blower. It's kind of hard. I didn't have anything to set up the camera on, but we got it. Not sure why you left that there. Just gotta back drag some of these tracks out real quick, and then there she be. There it is. Oh, I gotta put the trash rack on. Can't forget that. I'm gonna do that right now while I'm over here. But yeah, that's all that mud right there. Turned out pretty nice. Little transition into this, but whenever it dries out, maybe I'll come back, or somebody, whatever, and kind of peel that off down this way. And it don't look terrible, but I hate leaving stuff like that. I mean, it is what it is. Couldn't do a lot with it. The time of year and how wet. If we were here another week or two in the middle of the summer, we could spread it and flip it and all that kind of stuff. It probably would have been fun. But all right, let's get this trash rack on real quick. And just like that, trash rack is on. Get a little high on our seating there. Somebody commented that the sides weren't sufficient enough. It will work, buddy. We're just going for big stuff. It's a 15-inch pipe coming out of there, so keep the big logs and debris, that real big stuff out of there. Oh man, kind of heavy. But yeah, we seeded pretty close to the water line. We marked it out with a laser, so we got it pretty close. That's all done down there. Everything cleaned up on this side. Man, that straw blower, that sucker was the ticket. That thing was amazing. Josh is actually taking it back right now. And yeah, there. I think we did about 75 bales over here in a couple hours. So yeah, it worked out really good. But all right, let's get over here on this side. We'll show you what we're doing with the equipment and how we're wrapping it up. But that's where we had the fire. The customer has a wood stove fireplace, heats his house with wood. So he asked anything big to leave it, and he will cut it up later and bring it up to his house. So perfect. But yeah, yes sirree. All right, so what we do is we took, this is one of the creeks that's feeding the pond. So I dug down a little hole right there, a little pool with the mini, put the trash pump in it. That's how we clean off the machines when we're done. It beats bringing all this mud down the road and just trying to get rid of it here on the job. Spraying everything off real good, getting it all cleaned out of the tracks and undercarriage and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, it goes pretty good. But I'm gonna go down here, jump on the skid steer, finish dressing this up. I gotta dress up that hill, need to put a couple bales of straw out, and we're getting close. All right, there we have it. It is officially done. Willie's pulling out the side-by-side, got all that seed and straw right there. So we just got to move some equipment tomorrow, the rest of today and tomorrow. But thanks for watching the videos. Hope you guys enjoyed them. And I don't know how to say this, but this will probably be, well, this will be the last video Josh and Willie are in. And yeah, they're both moving on to other stuff. So yeah, I'm so thankful for both of them. They both work very hard workers. But for right now, it's just gonna be me. I'm gonna see what I can do by myself. I'm not looking to hire anybody or anything like that at the moment. I'm just kind of taking a step back and trying to figure out what I want to do business wise. So I said, I don't know, a month or so ago that I got some changes coming up. This was not one of the changes, I promise you that. It was the tree job that we did with Josh. Yeah, that wasn't one of the changes. This was not one of the changes. So there's no hard feelings between me and them. It's all on good terms. You know, I didn't fire them or anything like that. But yeah, stay tuned, and I'm sure I'll talk about this more down the road. But give the guys a big thumbs up for me, and thanks for watching. Leave them a comment below, and yeah, have a good one, y'all.